Hi, and welcome to Biff. In this screencast, we're going to look at creating an icon for an application. So first, make sure your canvas is 1024 by 1024. We can check here, and we even have a preset. There. Now, we're going to start off with a circle, and we're going to make this almost the entire size of the canvas. If we hold down the Command key, the shape will be resized proportionally. There. Now, let's set a gradient background. We'll remove the stroke, and we'll add a drop shadow. Okay, we're going to add another circle on top. Again, holding the Command key for proportional resizing. And let's get that about right. We can use the cursor keys to position objects more accurately. If you want to check the exact position, we can check the transform, and it tells us the X, Y, the width and the height. Let's give this a different gradient. There. And maybe we'll give this an inner shadow. And again, we will remove the stroke. Okay. Now, let's add another shape. Maybe our application is about finding local cafes, so we'll use this coffee cup icon. Again, we'll use Command to resize it proportionally and get it roughly where we want it. Now we're going to do something quite clever. I'm going to intersect the two shapes. So we'll select the coffee and our inner circle. In this case, we want to use union. Now we can see straight through the coffee cup as it's punched a hole in the orange circle. So now, let's put a background behind that. I'm going to put down another circle. I'm going to make it roughly cover the coffee cup. It doesn't need to be a circle. It can be any shape that will cover the cup. Now, I'm going to put an image in that circle. This is an image I found previously. I can simply copy it to the clipboard. While I've got the circle selected, I'm going to bring the contextual menu and say Set Fill Image from Clipboard. There. I can hold down Shift to move the image within the circle. Now, I can put this object to the back, or send backward. Now it is behind the coffee cup. I can also change the size of the image. Now, that photo clashes with the orange colour, so I'm going to change the gradient. We can go to Gradient and change the individual points. I'm going to change the bottom gradient, and I'm going to pick a colour out of the photograph. I'm going to do the same thing for the other point of the gradient. And I'll pick a lighter colour. There. Now we've got our icon, I can export it. If suppose exporting macOS 10 icon sets, so we'll select that. We will notice that auto trim has been disabled, as an OS 10 icon must be 1024 by 1024. We can now export this and include it in our project. Thanks for watching.